Hey everyone, if your notes are scattered across different apps or you're having trouble keeping track of important information, Microsoft OneNote can help you stay organized in one place. With notebooks, sections, pages, tags, and powerful search tools, organizing your work becomes much easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you practical ways to stay organized with Microsoft OneNote. So let's get started. Start by creating different notebooks for different parts of your life. For example, you might have one notebook for work, another for school, and another for personal projects. Keeping topics separate makes everything easier to find later. Within each notebook, create sections for major categories and pages for individual notes. For example, inside a work notebook, you could have sections for meetings, projects, and ideas, with separate pages for each topic. Use tags to highlight important information like tasks, questions, or follow-up items. You can also create checklists to track completed work, making it easier to stay on top of your daily responsibilities. When your notebooks grow larger, use the search feature to quickly locate specific notes. You can also keep frequently used pages easy to access by organizing them into dedicated sections or placing them near the top of your notebook. Sign in with your Microsoft account and let OneNote synchronize your notebooks through OneDrive. This allows you to access your notes from your computer, phone, or tablet while keeping everything up to date. Every few weeks, review your notebooks and remove outdated information, archive completed projects, and rename pages with clear titles. A little maintenance helps keep your notes organized over time, and that's how to stay organized with Microsoft OneNote. By using notebooks, sections, tags, search, and regular maintenance, you can build a note-taking system that's easy to manage and simple to use every day. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.